Hi folks, this is a helicopter that's come over 3 times over the crowd here on the Gaul Place Green at a very low height. He's circling around again. He's going to come and do a scoop around. This is dangerous flying. This just shouldn't be allowed. Here he comes. Look at the angle of this. He's actually gone behind the Shangri-La and he's going to come out the other side. Let's see whether he comes out. He's gone low. He's gone low. Look at that. He's gone so low. That is dangerous, dangerous flying. Right, and the crowd don't appreciate it. Come on, Sri Lanka, get your act together. Military, get your act together. What is it? What a nonsense. What are you trying to do?